Man, Lord have mercy.
Hey guys, we've missed you so much and we are so happy to be back. We are out here working in the garden trying to get everything back on schedule. And first of all, we just wanted to go ahead and thank y'all for everything that everyone has done. All the support, all the help, everything. All the prayers, especially the prayers. Thank you very much. We have no words, enough words to be able to express our thanks.
So while we were gone, we put out a couple videos, and we appreciate you guys for sticking with us and watching those and commenting back and forward. It really kept our hopes up while we were going through what we were going through. But we do definitely appreciate the support. While we were gone, we actually won a giveaway from Home in the Sticks, and we're about to do an unboxing on that here in a few minutes. Okay guys, so here's the package we received from Dan from Home in the Sticks. Let me go ahead and open it up real quick and show you what we won. So it was 3 different items he was giving away. It was basically whoever got selected, 1, 2, and 3 got to choose what they wanted. We got selected first. So we've been using our iPhones to be doing all our videos. And so we've just been using the mic, and when we first started doing these videos, we noticed that our audio quality wasn't as great. So we figured out how to shoot videos a little bit better with the phone and get the audio a little bit better. But we've never even thought about a mic. We thought about the lav mics. So that was just something that we thought about and just never did. So what we actually got was this video micro, a Rode video micro that Dan from Home in the Sticks was offering up as part of the giveaway. And hopefully this is going to work out well for us, and we'll be able to make the audio quality to our videos a little bit better. So we're going to just open it up real quick and see what it all comes with. I know he showed a little bit of what it came with. So here you go. We got the mic right here. The mic is actually inside here. I believe they call this a dead cat or dead mouse. I don't know the exact term for it, but it kind of resembles a dead mouse. Here's the mic. This is how big it actually is. I believe the mic goes in here, and actually for you to be able to hold it steady, it's a stabilizer, I believe. Then you have a couple of connectors here, and the quick start guide. I'm gonna try to hook this up real quick and test it out on the phone. That way you can see what the difference is. All right, guys. So we're not gonna be able to test the mic out. Just doing some research, found out we need a specific wire in order for it to work with an iPhone, because it's just that different. But just want to say thanks again to Dan from Home in the Sticks. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, please go check out his channel. We can't go without watching his channel. He's always doing something. It's crazy. It's a great channel to watch. Really enjoy his material. But yeah, again, definitely thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll get going with these videos. We actually did a tour once we got back to show what the garden looks like without being tended to, and I hope you guys enjoy that. We'll put that out soon. But again, just want to thank you all guys for sticking with us, and we'll see you in the next video.